Untangling Legal Jargon, Conflict of Interest. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to dive into a very important topic in legal vocabulary: conflict of interest. This term is widely used not just in legal settings, but also in business, journalism, and academia. Let's explore it together. A conflict of interest occurs when an individual's personal interests could potentially interfere with their professional obligations. In simpler words, it's a situation where you might be tempted to do something in your job that could benefit you personally, but it might not be the right thing or fair thing to do. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. Imagine a judge who is supposed to decide on a case, but one of the parties involved is a close friend of his. This is a conflict of interest because his personal relationship might affect his judgment. Or consider a CEO of a company who also sits on the board of a competing company. Their obligation to both companies creates a conflict of interest, as their decisions could unfairly benefit one company over the other. Now, let's try using conflict of interest in a sentence. 1. The mayor resigned amid allegations of a conflict of interest with a local real estate developer. 2. To avoid any potential conflict of interest, she decided not to participate in the decision-making process. In the field of law, avoiding conflicts of interest is an important part of maintaining professionalism and ethical behavior. Lawyers, for example, must not represent two clients in the same matter if there is a conflict of interest, unless both clients give informed consent. Understanding and correctly using the term conflict of interest will elevate your language skills and your comprehension of professional and legal vocabulary. Always remember that, in any professional setting, it's important to recognize and avoid conflicts of interest to maintain fairness and trust. Happy learning, and until our next video, keep practicing.